No, you really just have to start. I know everyone says that, and I know, like, if somebody would have told me this a few years ago, I was like, oh, that's easier said than done. And I guess it is, but that's really the only thing you can do. And, like, if you are working, maybe just get your feet wet and just do maybe one or two clients while you still have a job. And then maybe that can ease your way into it. Like, maybe you're not the one that's going to quit your job and then do the cleaning service full time right off the bat. Maybe that's not everyone's journey, but at least do something. Start somewhere. You have to get the ball rolling, or you're just going to be sitting on the sideline watching AJ videos for the next year, wishing and hoping. Like, you can hire people for everything. And it's like, people don't have experience in every single thing that they start. Like, they just don't. Like, I know someone said, I read somewhere, I heard somewhere, it was like, the person who made dog food, like, do you think they had like experience eating dog food? Probably not. But it's like they knew there was a need and they just figured out how to deliver. So it's like, you don't have to have experience in everything. You just have to know enough and then hire somebody who has that experience.